How location technologies are benefiting modern business? Location technologies are pushing modern businesses to new heights through the use of location data. Now, it's easy to ask yourself, what is the benefit of collecting all this data? But the answer is just as simple as you might think: to improve productivity. Every company needs to find a way to reduce the amount of time spent locating key assets. To enable compliance. Being able to prove compliance is one of the most important aspects of a business. To enhance customer service. Now, every company needs to be able to respond to their customers in a fast and reliable way. To extend asset life. You want to be able to avoid delays and costs caused by repairs and replacements. To inform operational decisions. With location, condition, and usage data, you can make better decisions about daily processes and company spending. Link Labs provides unique asset tracking solutions made to fit your company's budget, needs, size, and so much more. How can location technology help your company shine today? Be sure to visit our website at link-labs.com and be sure to subscribe to us on all of our social media platforms to learn more.